Good morning class, this is your EVS class and we are doing chapter 4 shelter. In our previous classes we have done the explanation of this chapter and today in our today's class we are going to do the exercises. Okay, so open your books to page number 26. Here's an exercise given words to know. Here are words given and here are the meaning of that words given. Basically these are the word meanings. Okay, so first exercise is words to know. Number 1 is thatch. What is thatch? What is the meaning of thatch? A roof covering of straw, palm leaves or reeds. जो कच्चे हाउसेस में जो रूफ्स बनी हुई होती हैं कच्ची चीज़ों की, जस्ट लाइक दिस, इस चीज़ को हम थैच बोलते हैं. ओके, सो थैच मीन्स अ रूफ कवरिंग ऑफ स्ट्रॉ, palm leaves or reeds. ROOF roof covering 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 of straw STRAW straw, comma, palm leaves PALM palm LEAVES leaves or reeds REEDS reeds. So first word is thatch and the meaning is a roof covering of straw, palm leaves or reeds. Now come to number 2, dwellers. Dwellers means residents. Residents जो लोग वहाँ रहते हैं उनको, एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पे जो लोग रहते हैं उनको वहाँ का रेसिडेंट्स बोला जाता है. ओके, सो dwellers it means residents. RESIDENTS residents. Number 3 is pests. Insects or small animals that are harmful. पेस्ट क्या होता है? ये छोटे छोटे हार्मफुल इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं. ओके, INSECTS इंसेक्ट्स और स्मॉल SMALL स्मॉल एनिमल्स ANIMALS animals that are harmful THAT that ARER harmful HARMFUL. Pest means insects or small animals that are harmful. Now next is dampness. Dampness means slightly wet. Wet means गीला होना. So slightly means थोड़ा सा, थोड़ा बहुत गीला होना. Dampness slightly wet SLIGHTLY slightly wet 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 slightly wet. So the first word is thatch, a roof covering of straw, palm leaves or reeds. Number 2 is dwellers meaning residents. Number 3 pests, insects or small animals that are harmful. Number 4 is dampness meaning slightly wet. You have to do this exercise in your notebooks in a very neat and clean handwriting. Now come to page number 27. On page number 27 there is a first exercise given, exercise A, choose the correct answers. So here are the statement given and for that there are options given. We have to choose the right options for the statement. Okay, so number 1 is a house protects us from. House हमें किस किस चीज़ों से protect करता है? Heat, truck, cold, rain. So a house protects us from heat. हमें heat से protect करता है, so हम इसको टिक करेंगे. Truck. Truck is not a option, not a correct option, so we have to leave it as it is. Next is cold. A house protects us from cold. Yes, a house protects us from cold also and a house protects us from rain also. So there are 3 correct options. We have to take it right. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, and we have to leave the Incorrect option as it is. Okay. Number 2 is these are temporary houses. Temporary houses कौन से होते हैं? जो man made houses होते हैं, ठीक है. That is also called कच्चा houses, जो permanent नहीं होते हैं. Bungalow is not a correct option. Bungalow comes under the permanent houses. So next is tent. Yes, tent is a temporary house. So take a mark in front of the tent. Next is houseboat. Houseboat is also a temporary house. Next is caravan. Caravan is also a temporary house. So these are temporary houses: tent, houseboat and caravan. Next is number 3. पक्का houses are made of. जो पक्के houses होते हैं वो किस चीज़ से बने होते हैं? Number 1 is brick, cement, straw और steel. Yes, it is made up of brick, cement and steel. straw से कौन से houses बनते हैं? straw से temporary houses बनते हैं. ओके, जो कच्चे houses होते हैं वो straw से बनते हैं. पक्का houses are made of brick, cement and steel. Now next is number 4. We can decorate our houses with. हम किस किस चीज़ से अपने houses को decorate कर सकते हैं? रंगोली. रंगोली is a correct option. Bags is not a correct option. Flowers, yes, flowers we use for the decoration of our houses, and paintings we can also use for the decoration of our houses. So we can decorate our houses with rangoli, flowers and paintings. So let me repeat it once again. Choose the correct answers. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain. Number 2, these are temporary houses: tent, houseboat, caravan. Number 3, pakka houses are made of brick, cement, steel. Number 4, we can decorate our houses with rangoli, flowers and paintings. Now come to the next exercise, that is exercise B. Unscramble the letters to make words. Here are some jumbled words given. We have to unscramble it. हमें इसको ठीक करके एक new word यहाँ पे जो ये statement दिया हुआ है, एक clue दिया हुआ है, उसके according इसको यहाँ पे एक न्यू वर्ड बनाना है, उसको अनस्क्रैम्बल करके. ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज दिस स्क्रैम्बल वर्ड एंड द क्लू इज इट गिव्स अस प्रोटेक्शन. क्या देता है हमें प्रोटेक्शन? शेल्टर. सो वी हैव टू राइट शेल्टर हेयर. SHELTER. Shelter. It gives us protection. Shelter. 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 Second is shelter of early man. Early man जो होते थे वो कहाँ रहते थे? They live in a caves. 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 Caves क्या होती हैं? गुफाएं. ठीक है, तो अर्ली मैन कहाँ रहा करते थे? उनका शेल्टर क्या होता था? केव्स. CAVES. केव्स. नंबर 3, हाउस ऑफ एस्किमोस. एस्किमोस कहाँ रहते हैं? दे लिव इन अ इग्लू. IGLOO. इग्लू. एस्किमोस लिव इन अ इग्लू. IGLOO. हाउस ऑफ एस्किमोस, इग्लू. नंबर 4 इज रैबिट्स हाउस. रैबिट्स हाउस. रैबिट के हाउस को क्या बोलते हैं? बरो. BURROW. बरो. Rabbit's house is called burrow. 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 So this is exercise B. Let me repeat it for you all. It gives us protection. Shelter. 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 Number 2, shelter of early man. Caves. 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 Number 3, house of Eskimos. Igloo. 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 Number 4 is rabbit's house. burrow, B-U-R-R-O-W, burrow. Now you have to do these 3 exercises in your notebooks. Exercise A, exercise B, and words to know. First of all, you have to do words to know, then exercise A, and then exercise B in your notebooks in a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay class, so this is all for today. In our next class we will do the next exercises. Okay, so thank you.